When God appeared to King Solomon in his dream and asked for his wish, King Solomon asked for wisdom. God was so impressed, and along with wisdom, he gave him riches and name and fame. Many a times we fail to understand the sequence in which we are supposed to pursue for success. We strive to become popular and earn riches, and in the process we become foolish and we fail. The sequence is like this: fear God, depend upon Him, and He will give us wisdom. And when we get wisdom, we will automatically get riches, success, name, and fame. Don't reverse the formula. Fear God, get wisdom from Him, and the rest will follow. God bless you.